Hello guys and welcome to this Cash review, a product by Glownkowski. So in this review I will show you what is Cash, the features, the sales page, the live demo and everything you need to know about this product. So let's go. First, what is Cash? Cash is a cloud-based app that creates 100% done for you courses, membership style sites using other people content videos that you can legally monetize for leads, sales, commissions. This clever app sets you up with multiple profit factories, each constant of a lead generation page and monetized website. It's the only software that lets you grow your list while generating multiple income streams in any niche using other people's videos and authority. And Cash have a lot of features. First, Cash provides you with powerful two-step DeFi funnel. Add subscribers to your list and generates daily fast cash. Choose from multiple stunning and lead pages to pick your list with targeted subscribers you can promote to long term. Monetize visitors to your DeFi sites instantly with irresistible niche offers. Turn stunning content made by others into personal gain. Any YouTube video with an embed code is yours to freely share in your monetized sites in one click, simple to do. All in one click list building passive income and traffic solution works in any niche. DeFi lead pages and DeFi monetizing websites optimized for conversions. No expensive designers or copyright is needed. 100% pure profit system. Included hosting and traffic means zero overhead costs. No content creation ever. Leverage premium content made by others legally and ethically. Leverage other people's content and authority for personal gain. It's take just one click. Copy and paste function to pour videos, content, even complete playlists from other creators into your DeFi platform. Create your choice of entertainment or education in any niche that attracts free viral traffic, clicks and income. Profit fast, new and scale even higher tomorrow. The powerful DeFi system activates both leads, building a steady income stream for you. This means you can be growing subscribers list for higher profits, which instantly monetizing new visitors with affiliate offers and passive ads. Maximize results from diverse revenue streams. Your license lets you activate multiple profit platform in any niche you want. Leverage passive ads, affiliate and CPA offers plus list building and more experience from yourself. The power of income diversity. Save no paid ads needed ever because of the viral nature of video content all by itself. You won't need to buy ads. There is even more free traffic built to the system to keep your profit platforms humming with visitors 24 hours 7 days a week. Fully automated one-time setup for non-stop leads and commissions without any maintenance. Built lead generation, hassle-free, optimized list building in any niche you can imagine. Whether you are a brand new or a veteran marketer, you'll love how this system can build your list hands-free. Build and monetization with designing your profit platforms to look great to visitors while working overtime for you. Multiply monetization elements included ads, offers and CTA are positioned using conversion science to generate you the highest possible results. Effortless content. Our industry-leading search tool make one-click simple to find and leverage other people's videos, search by niche or keyword, search by or view of popularity, even grab entire playlists to save more time. This is the shortcut of amazing results for content you don't even make yourself. So there is 3 steps to use Cash. Step number 1, click the buy button to secure your copy now. Step number 2, log in and turn on the copy and paste function. And step number 3, activate the traffic button to enjoy free traffic to your brand new Cash system. Now let's see Cash from inside. I noticed one thing when I log into the members area, that Cash have the same exact interface of easy profit pages. The previous product launch of the same creator, Glownkowski. At the beginning, I wondering if Cash do the same work of easy profit pages, but when I use the software, I find that Cash has a different system. So here in the dashboard, you have dashboard, tutorials, campaigns, page content, products done for you, free traffic and upgrades. So let's create a campaign. After click at create new, after fill out all of this information. After you can choose the niche you want to work on it. and after you will have a site like this one. And after the user click at any button, will be directed to this course here. And of course the page have your affiliate links to make profit. So basically what Cash does for you is creating a website or a membership site. The site optimized by content from other creators. You can use this website to get traffic and commissions to your affiliate links. So you will have a website full of content of other creators, also full of affiliate links. Of course, your affiliate links you can promote and get traffic and get a lot of commissions. Besides, you will have a free traffic method you can use with this website to get a lot of traffic with just simple and easy steps. Now let's see the bonuses. You will get 4 bonuses. Bonus number 1, $1,000 no cost auto bot, value $1,997. Swipe the exact same method you have been using to generate over average of $1,000 a day every single day for the past 12 months. It's yours absolutely free. The bonus number 2, 225 daily instant affiliate check, value $997. Activate the same system we use to get multiple commissions daily, works perfectly with the system you're buying today. Again, 100% for you. The bonus number 3, $0 to $1,000 a day in 3 days, value priceless. You're invited to the private live online event where it reveals how we make 1,000 inside the next few days. We expect a full house, so turn up early. Bonus number 4, first sale in the next 33 minutes, also value priceless. This unique loophole lets us make our first sale in 33 minutes without a list, paid traffic or anything else complicated. It's all revealed to your inside. Now let's see the price. So you will get brand new cached software, step-by-step video tutorials, quick start guide, instant free traffic generator, customer question and answer workflow, brand new copy and paste technology, all the bonuses I already mentioned before. Value of all this is $13,411 today, one-time pay for just $17. No monthly fees, and besides you will have 30 days money back guarantee if you face a problem or you don't like the product. Also, you can check this button here if you want to unlock access to 2 billion additional buyers. Now for my honest review, I tried this software as a tester recently and I find it 100% done for you, but I face a problem to get traffic, so you must get traffic by yourself. But I find the website awesome, everything is set up in just minutes, so I advise you to act quickly on this or you will miss out on this amazing launch and regret it greatly later. I think this is definitely a cost-effective product for you to help you get the right track of making money online. Again guys, thank you to watching this review video. I would much appreciate this. If you want Cash, the link in the description below. And of course, if you see this video helpful, give it a like and see you on the next one.